My name is Manasa. I've completed my BSc Bioinformatics in Treva University in Bangalore itself. I did my intermediate in Andhra Pradesh in Sri Chaitanya Junior College in 2017, and I did my schooling in Vijayawada Engineering High School in Andhra Pradesh itself. And actually, I'm highly responsible person and have a positive attitude. After joining in Qspiders, I have taken a course of manual testing, and I did my courses in Qspider itself. It had very helpful for me. Jeevan sir have taken manual testing, and now we taken for SQL, and for automation Anirudh sir have been taken. They have taught me very well, and given very they are very supportive to learn everything. I had like five rounds of interview. In first round is aptitude, and second round is group discussion, and third is technical round, and fifth is HR round. And I've completed with the confidence which they have given me. So thank you, Hebal, Qspiders Hebal. Thank you for this, giving this opportunity. Thank you.